Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create sales report tracker in Airtable. So first thing you do, start from scratch, and here you have your default page that you have, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of its fields, right? So let's only keep the primary field and even edit that into a number, auto numbering field, right? So auto number the first field. Now let's rename the base to something like sales report tracker, right? Can even change the color. Okay, now it's looks much better, right? Okay, so pick something like easy to view. Next thing, we can add product choice, right? Because it's sales report, so product and multiple select option. So let's say product 1, then product 2, then product 3, product 4. So based on that we will select it and we will check who purchased that. So again multiple select and customer. So if you don't know the customer, we can always choose the other option, right? So customer 1, customer 2. Okay, I'm assuming that this particular sales report tracker is for a specific number of clients that we are maintaining. So we will always have other option and maybe manually add that in notes which customer purchased it, right? So customer 4 and finally others. So we create those fields. Next would be choosing the quarters. So quarter 1 should be a number, right? How much sales happened. So we will use integer here, right? Because we don't have sales number exactly in your floating point number, right? Specific unit sold, and we will add that, right? So in case if you have like minute numbering related issues, you can always switch back to decimal, use up to 3 points, save. So we will kind of duplicate the field. So 2, 3 and finally 4. So let's edit this to 2, save, then 3, save, 4, save, right? And finally we have total option, which is going to be sum of all, right? So formula we will be using equals to, then symbol, then we will use q1, right? Then plus q2, then plus q3, then plus q4, right? So we create that field. So we have total there. So let's say I have product number 2 sold to customer number 4, and in quarter 1 total 4 products sold, right? So in total we can see it will only show 4. In second case, let's say product number 1 sold to customer number 3, right? Then total 1 gets sold in quarter 1, then 3 get here, and in quarter 4 2. So that should be visible in total as well, right? So we have that. Let's add one more entry, then we will move to forms. Oh, product number, again 2 product got sold, right? Then we sold them to multiple customers, so others, then customer number 2 and 3, right? As you can see, multiple selections are also available. So most of the sales happen in quarter 2, quarter 3 and 4, right? So we can see there total as well. Now if I want to turn this into a form based entry, right? So I can use sales report, or you can say sales tracker. That would be even better. Create new view. Now here we won't be making use of the total option because it's a formula, right? So it has already in a hidden view. So we'll take a look at that in new tab. And here let's see, we have product 4, then sold to customer 1, and others, right? So in quarter 1, 2 sales, 5, then 2 and 2, right? So if we submit this, it will kind of show you the report. Now if we go to the grid view, we can see that it has added our entry and also created the total for that value entered. So this is sales report tracker that you can create in Airtable.